Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to allow or block third-party cookies in Opera GX on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera GX browser and then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner and select Settings in the drop-down menu. Under Opera GX settings, select this one Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. On the right, under Privacy and Security, click on this one Third Party Cookies option. By default, Opera GX browser blocks third party cookies in incognito mode only. To allow, just select this one first option, allow third party cookies, and in case you want to block all third party cookies in normal as well as incognito mode, select this one option, block third party cookies. This will block third party cookies in whole Opera browser, normal as well as private window.